Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add additional field or extra field in profile in Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our profile page. Now you see. So we are going to add additional or extra field in profile. Now back to dashboard. On left side you see ultimate member and then you see form, so click on it. So we are in form section and then you see default profile, so click on edit. So we are in default profile and then you see first name. So we are going to add more field. Now you see add field, so click on it. Now you see set up new field, you see telephone, number, text area and then you see predefined field, first name, last name. So you can add according to your requirement. So we are going to add last name, so click on it. Now you see last name field edit and then you see text box. Now you see edit, so click on it and then you see title, label. If you want you can change it and then you see visibility, view everywhere. So you can select visibility according to your requirement and then you see is this field required. If you want you can make it required and then you see can user edit this field. If you want you can allow user to edit this field, so enable this option and then click on update. Now update done and then click on update. Now profile form updated. Go to profile page and refresh the page. Now you see new field edit, last name added in profile page in Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. So you can add any field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.